I asked ChatGPT why I should not use human urine on my garden, and here's what they came up with. Reason number 5 is why I don't use urine on my garden. I recently made a video about why you should use urine in your garden, and I will leave a link to that video in the end screen. But there are some reasons why you would not want to use urine on your garden. Number 1, hygiene and sanitation concerns. One primary concern is the potential for hygiene and sanitation issues. Although urine can be sterile when it leaves the body, it can quickly become contaminated if proper hygiene practices are not followed. Handling urine improperly or using it while ill can introduce pathogens that may be harmful to plants, leading to diseases or contamination of edible crops. Number 2, medications and chemicals. The use of certain medications or chemicals by individuals can affect the composition of urine. These substances may include antibiotics, prescription medications, or even recreational drugs. When urine containing these substances is used as fertilizer, it can potentially harm plants and introduce chemicals into the garden ecosystem. Number 3, imbalanced nutrient ratios. While urine does contain valuable nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, its nutrient ratios may not be suitable for all plants. Urine tends to be high in nitrogen, which is beneficial for leafy growth, but can be detrimental to some plants that require a more balanced nutrient profile. Incorrect application or excessive nitrogen levels can lead to leaf burn, stunted growth, or nutrient imbalances in the soil. Number 4, environmental impact. Although using urine as a fertilizer can be seen as a sustainable practice, it's important to consider potential environmental impacts. If the urine contains excessive amounts of nutrients such as nitrogen and is not properly managed, it can contribute to nutrient runoff and water pollution. This runoff can harm aquatic ecosystems and create imbalances in water bodies. That one seemed a little crazy to me. I mean, you'd have to have an awful lot of pee to affect your water sources around you. Number 5, social acceptability. Using human urine as a fertilizer might not be socially acceptable to everyone. Some individuals may find the idea unappealing or off-putting, particularly if they are not familiar with the concept. It's important to consider the perspectives of others and maintain a harmonious relationship with neighbors or community members who may not share the same enthusiasm for using human urine in gardening practices. And that is the reason why I do not use urine on my vegetable gardens, because some people just think it's gross. While human urine can provide nutrients for plants, it's crucial to consider the potential drawbacks before deciding to use it in your garden. Ultimately, it's up to each gardener to make an informed decision based on their own circumstances and preferences.